Now we are going to discuss about the branching statements. What are the branching statements we have? Branching statements we have like break, continue, and return. Okay, let's see break and continue now. So for that, what I'll do again, I'm going to take one for loop. Console that. Return. Break. Example. So for loop. For int I equals to 0. S less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Console.write line. This is my for loop. And similarly, I'll write one more for loop. Continue. Example. Now, let's run this integration test. This is going to explain to list break 0 to 10 by less than 10 or less than or equals to less than 10. From 0 to 10 in the break example continues. Okay, so now this is before applying. Wouldn't apply anything here like now. So here I'll put one condition. If I equals 3, then do that. So similarly, for this, I'll keep start break in the surrounding application. So what is the output? So this is before applying, this is after applying. So when I is 3, this particular scenario, we use the break. When I equals to 3, do the break. What break will happen when I is 3? It will terminate the loop. Break. It will terminate the loop. When we use break. And when we use the continue. So when I is 3, that time we use the continue. So what's happening? 0, 1, 2, 3 is missing. From 3, again 4 to 9, we got the result. Now, here what I'm saying, when we use the continue, this will skip. It will skip the next iteration. Understood, guys? Any doubts here? Break will terminate and continue will skip the next iteration. So hope you don't have any doubts. Let me know if you have any doubts. Now we'll check the third statement. Let's see how this return will work.
Hello.
To work like this. Statement iteration, dependent iteration. Next iteration, next step means, for example, next upcoming means you can consider as a current. See, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so means from this particular scenario, when it's a current, okay, the current iteration, it is going to skip the current iteration. Means in our programming terminology, so what will happen here? The next what will tell, this is next iteration. What will say? 0, 1, 2 is done. 3 is the next iteration. That's why I told it as a next iteration. So when we say it is current iteration only. Okay. The particular the 3. See, then when it comes here, continue. So it will print 0, 1, 2. When it is 3, it will terminate the loop. But when it is continue, the next iteration, what I'm saying, this will not execute. Console.write line. This won't execute. It will go to again increment. It will become 4. So since condition will fail, it will go and print this. Okay. Now we're discussing return. Okay. So how this return will be? For example, this is my class. I have one public int x. So here, what I'm going to say, I have first number, second number. The result add of x comma y, which is going to do the x plus y addition. The result is in the form of integer that is going to return here. This is the return type integer. So now the value result x plus y, which is going to return here, and we are assigning to the sum. This is the return statement. So means we are going to return the integer value. So now let's run this. We'll get the result of 30. So this is return. So now, suppose based on our report, if it is a numbers, we use int. If it is a string, we put a string. Whatever data type. And ask user to console dot write line. So here's some options. Excellent. So when we have different cases like this, we'll write a switch case and we'll ask user enter your shirt size. Int size equals convert dot to N32 of console dot line. Next, we'll take a switch case. Size. Size is the case here. Based on the size, we'll decide what need to display. Case. For example, if I take 36. So what did you say? Your shirt size is small. Break. So once it executes particular statement, it should immediately break it. Means come out of the loop. So now, for example, if it is 38, medium, 40, large, 42, extra large. And in switch case, there would be a chance of getting unknown. So to handle those unknown, we'll go with a default case. Default. This is default. So your shirt size is unknown. Okay, now let's enter this. So how this will work? So it will go to that particular case. Now let's see. Now let me enter this. Enter your shirt size. Again, 40. So it will read the size 40 and it will come here. So and it will won't check anything. It will directly go to that particular case 40 and it is going to print that statement. Your shirt size is large.